Alrighty, here's the 2D collision question. So we've got mass A. Before collision traveling, it's 3 kilograms and it's traveling at 4 meters per second north. And mass B is 2 kilograms and it's traveling at 5 meters per second at north 45 west, right? So you've got one like this, and you've got one like that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
I got that.
when they bounce together, what's going to happen up here?
One's gonna go left.
One's going to go left and one's going to go right? Like, from a pure vector kind of thing, right? That means that if I add these two together, right, this is my overall initial momentum, right? And so my final momentum has to equal that as well, right? How you set it up, there's a whole bunch of different ways you can set it up. And even the way that I've got it set up here, I'm like, I don't know if I like that, right? But I will say this is what I told Mike. I said, well, you could say PA plus PB is equal to PA plus PB, and I'm going to use prime rather than initial and final. Is that okay? Yeah? Okay. So then break that down even more. The x component and the y components must be equal to each other, right? So in other words, let's talk about just x. So PAX plus PBX has to be equal to PAX prime plus PBX prime. Is that good, Liam? Okay, so let's deal with our x's here first.
Yes.
Okay? So we got PAX is 0, right? Because A is going straight north. So PAX is 0. And PBX is going to be, I got north 45 west. I made it 45 so that they're the same, right? A little bit easier, right? So PBX, north 45 west, going to be like this. So it's going to be
-7.
2 times 5, it's opposite sine 45, which is minus 7.1. Is that right?
I did 7.7.
Okay, that's fine. Now, the one that we don't know is, we know B after, right? I guess I didn't actually write that down, right? B after is 3.5 at north 20 east. Okay, I'll continue here in red. So PBX prime, north 20 east. North 20 east, that's not to scale. So it's going to be 2 times 3.5 opposite sine 20, which is positive 2.4, right? Yeah? So I'm going to do all my x's here. I'm going to say, sort of imagine all of this sort of in brackets, right? I'm going to, how about I do this just to make it? I'm going to copy, and I'm going to paste down here. Okay. So it's going to be PAX is 0, plus PBX is minus 7.1. PAX prime is what we don't know, and this one in red is plus 2.4. So PAX prime is going to be minus 7.1 minus 2.4, which is minus 9.5. Does that make sense? That's east of north, Mike. That's north 20 east. Is that good, Liam? Okay, so now what do? Basically do exactly the same thing except with the y's. If I had a lot more paper, I'd do the y's over here on the right-hand side. I think I'm probably crazy zoomed in, that's why, well, no, it's only 100%.
Or the whole equals the. Yeah, I wasn't finished.
Oh, sorry, man. I'll pause. For the y's, I'm going to write PAY plus PBY is equal to PAY prime plus PBY prime. It's crazy, isn't it? Okay, PAY is not 0. It's in fact all of that whole thing, right? It's the 3 times 4, right? So PAY is equal to 3 times 4, which is 12. PBY is equal to, let's go back over here. It's not the sine, it's the cos of this one. 2 times 5 times cos 45, right? 2 times 5 times the cos 45. Again, 7.1. We're solving for PAY prime, we don't know that. PBY prime is going to be, after is going to be, B is going to be 2 times 3.5 times the cos of 20, right? Cos of Jason, yes, cos of 20. Two times 3.5 times cos 20 is 6.6. And once again, so now I'm going to have all of this again. So this is going to be 12. This is 7.1. They're both up. PAY prime is what I'm solving for. And PBY prime is 6.6. PAY prime is equal to 12 plus 7.1 is 19.1 minus 6.6, or 12.5. Which is what you got there, right, Sean? I think, right? You had 12.4 something, right? And now that you've got the PAY prime and the PAX prime, what do? Put them together, right? So we got PAX prime is left.
Pardon the interruption. Would all potential grads please go to the multi-purpose room for a meeting, and please bring a pen or a pencil.
Did I know this?
All potential grads to the multi-purpose
Oh, I want to appreciate Benny.
I'll do it quick. I didn't think I know about this. Well, you guys, this is the simple part, right? Yeah. I get 15.7.
I got 5 for velocity.
P equals MV, 15.7. The mass is 3.
How long do you think this will take?
I'm guessing the whole period.
Take it up?
I didn't know about this.
I'm gonna pick it up.
Yeah, that's fine. 5.2 meters per second. And you guys can figure out the angle. Opposite or adjacent. 12.5. I get west 53 north.